Hello everyone, this is Ganesh Varahade. I am founder and CEO of Thinkitive Technologies Pvt. Limited. So today we are going to talk about digital health, and I'm going to explain digital health in 4 parts. First one is the understanding what is digital health, and second one is the impact of digital health, and third one is what are solutions that solves the digital health, and the last one is the future of digital health. So let's start about understanding what is digital health. So digital health, like there is no formal definition where we can say this is what the digital health, or any organization defining like this is a digital health. But I can tell you like the digital health is something where we use the tools and technology to solve the healthcare problems, or it can improve the health of the patient. So, and digital health is not limited to the provider space. It can be do wonders with the understanding the data of gathering data and doing the predictive analysis, and it can even detect diseases earlier, or it can change the lifestyle of patient. And COVID-19 has fast forward digital health that could have been taken like 10 years to be there where we are now. Now it's acceptable practice where we can take the telemedicine, or we can order the medicine online, or even like there are like the multiple wearable devices where we can track daily vitals, and based on that we can basically improve your health, or you can reduce your weight, or even you can manage your chronic care diseases like diabetes or hypertension. All those things are possible because of technology and tools and their innovation. There are multiple companies nowadays working on building more solution on digital health, like Google, Apple, or GE Health. All these are companies are creating healthcare devices and also the technology that can support, gather more data and help the provider to provide more accurate care for their patient. Let's talk about the second point, the impact of digital health. So basically now there are major impact after COVID-19 on using the digital health solution. There are people in urban cities which can go to the website and search for their favorite doctor, and they can set up the online appointment booking, and even they can take the video call with their provider, and the provider can order the medicine, and the user can get the medicine thanks to the pharma supply chain. I can get all my medicine to the home, and I can get even with a discounted price. And there are now laboratories coming to parties where you can book appointment online for a lab. They can come to your home, take your samples and give you the report. So these all are possible because of the innovation and technologies. And there are like the multiple apps, and the wellness app is there, mobile applications are there where they allow user to get off from their sofa and go walk and analyze their each and every step. They can count every calories they burn, and they can even count every food they eat, what all calories count they are eating, and based on that they will be able to analyze their weight, and they can improve their daily lifestyle. All those things are possible because of the impact of those digital health. And this happened in after COVID-19. There are two eras we can talk about, like the era before COVID-19. There was like very less progress on the solutions and technology in terms of healthcare, and now there are era after COVID-19. The most of companies are coming over here, and then as and when this data is getting generated, many companies are coming forward to analyze this data and understanding the population health, so they can be able to determine the what is habit of this particular region, and based on that they will be able to detect what all possible disease or how we can improve the habits so that we can prevent those diseases. So these are all things happening because of the solutions and technologies of digital health. In first section we talk about what is digital health. In second section we talk about impact of digital health. Now we are going to talk about what all solutions those are making this impact. So there are multiple solutions available. One of those first solution is the EMR solution, or we can talk about like telemedicine solution. So what is EMR solution? EMR solution is like the solution where electronic medical record, all the data that was previously on the paper, now because of the technology we are able to put those data on clinical cloud, and that will be with the security, so that it allow the provider to have the all historical data. With the click they can be able to access it, and they will be able to see all their previous diagnosis or care is been given, medication has been taken, and with that provider will be able to provide proper care and able to plan the care plan of it. So that's what the power of EMR. On top of that, if we add a telemedicine, it allows the booking of appointment and taking the online appointment with the patient and providing care online, and then creating all their care plan online and sending it with the click, and where patient have an app and they can access that their notes and order the medicine. So that's the first solution. Second solution is the remote patient monitoring, where what happens is there are multiple medical devices available, like you can have a watch, you can have your BP monitor, you can have your continuous glucose monitor that can you just attach to your body, and it can continuously monitor your glucose in the blood. And there are multiple devices available in market, so those can be attached to the patient, and it literally create your digital twin. So the provider will be able to see each and every vital that via the device is monitoring, and with the basis of that, provider is better able to understand what is your daily lifestyle and how your vital or your body react to those lifestyle, and based on that provider can provide you feedback like your lunch habits are not good or your sleeping habits are not good. Even provider can tell you what all activities should be taken, and based on that slowly the patient will be able to improve their lifestyle and can go to the better lifestyle where he will not able to get any disease. And there are other solution is the chronic care management. It's we can say the advanced version of the remote patient monitoring, where your chronic disease like diabetes or hypertension or all this chronic care illness can be managed. Like let's suppose diabetes, where similarly in remote patient monitoring you can have a devices and your digital twin is created. In this case you will be given like long-term plan of like 6 to 1 year, where after every 15 days provider can take an online call, provide you your diet, activities tracking, and if you follow them well, you'll be able to reverse your diabetes also. So it is a possible, and it's a proven by technology, and also with the paper there are multiple research paper which says that it can possible to reverse your diabetes or reverse many other chronic disease if you lead to good lifestyle, and this technology allow you to do that. And the last solution I can talk about like e-prescription solution or delivering the medicine online, where you can provider will be able to order this, prescribe this medicine online, and it can go to the pharmacies will be able to deliver you medicine your home, and that with the you don't need to go anywhere. And this will allow you like the provider also to on their office they can order anything, and you don't miss your refills. And multiple time what happens is that because you don't order medicine on time, you miss it, and because of that like whatever you have improved with your health, again it get on the wrong path if you don't refill your medicine on time. So these are multiple solutions available, and that is impacting the daily life of the patients and improving the care by helping the providers. Let's talk about the future of digital health. It's obviously known to everyone, technology has changed the healthcare industry like never before, and there are multiple solutions coming to picture to provide the more benefit of the technology to improve the healthcare. The future will be very exciting, where there are multiple entities coming to picture, multiple platform, multiple devices, and the major challenge in the healthcare is going forward is that connecting all those entities, and all these touch points going to create a millions of data. Collecting data from multiple touch points will be very difficult task. So that's what the major challenge going forward, where like if data is generated from the devices, data is generated from the hospital, laboratories or pharmacies, getting all this data at one place and creating exciting dashboard or insight where companies and provider can take a major decision on top of that, and that is going to be a future of digital health. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be coming back with the more such a exciting topic on healthcare. Stay connected.
Thinkitive, thinking every bit.